Long before bottled drinks became common, there was Panakam. Made with jaggery, water and a handful of spices, this traditional drink has been part of Kerala's food culture for generations. It is also offered as nivedyam in many Hindu temples. To prepare it, dissolve jaggery in water and remove any impurities. Add crushed dry ginger, black pepper, cumin and cardamom. Then mix well. Panakam is traditionally served in small clay pots known as Panaka kudukas. The combination of jaggery and warming spices gives the drink its distinctive flavour, and it is often seen as an early version of today's chukku kapi. Simple to make and full of tradition, Panakam remains a drink that has stood the test of time.